Craft Room Crash, and I am in Surprise, Arizona, outside DIYer Kelly Smith's house. Now, she says it's a blessing and a curse that she can make anything out of everything, including doll parts. So let's go crash her craft room and find out what Kelly is making today. Hey, Kelly.
Hey, Jane, come on in.
All right.
Jane, I wanted to show you my awesome studio.
Oh my gosh, this is a pink
It's amazing.
dream.
It's crazy
This is
pink.
So fabulous, magnificent.
I have this sign that says, right by the door, it's baggage and a hook. And it's symbolic to me about leaving all my other stuff there at the door and going into the craft room. Jewelry that I've been making has been really fun and kind of a newer outlet for me.
So what are we making today?
Well, I'm going to cut head off of a Barbie and we're going to make a beautiful glamorous necklace.
She did say she can make anything. I'm in.
The first thing you have to do is pick a Barbie.
Oh, I love my Barbies. Wow. I mean, look at all these Barbies.
I know. Very first thing with the Barbie I do is I pull off the head just like, oh. You have to use a little bit of strength because sometimes they're hard to get off. And you did it, yay.
Oh, I kind of feel bad. Okay, so I'm just going to cut around her head, right?
Yeah, I'm just going to fill in the hollowness so that it won't squish down. I just kind of put it inside the crevice to figure out the
Don't you mean the crevasse?
crevasse. So then I'm just squeezing the glue out. And I think the easiest way for me is to put the middle in first, making sure that the rhinestone is on the top. I have some containers of broken old jewelry. So this was a piece, it was like a $3 necklace. And I just take it all apart. I love the sound when he goes, I don't know, I love that. Then I start picking out what I might like on her kind of a crown of bigger jewels.
Oh my gosh.
That's beautiful.
So this is the Barbie finish. Kelly, this is so great. Thanks for having me in your craft room.
I'm so glad you came.
Thanks so much to Kelly. Now we all know how to give our Barbies a new life. And that's what Kelly is doing in her craft room. What are you doing in your craft room? I'll see you next time. What should I name her? Or she's just Barbie?
Yeah.
Yeah.